Yo, before I let everyone enjoy today's video, I just want to say I am doing a giveaway right now. It's on my Instagram, my most recent post. My Instagram's like right around here. It's just Logs, L-O-W-G-Z, same as my YouTube. And all you have to do to win is comment your guess on the Civic's horsepower and torque. The closest guess wins a free t-shirt from AccuD. So who wouldn't want a free t-shirt, you know? All right, let's hop into the video. Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy Logs, Logan, whatever you want to call me. We are back, and in today's video, we are going to be doing some DIY body work. Let me tell you, I'm not a body man. I don't know what I'm doing, but you know, you shouldn't be scared of something. And I haven't tried Bondo and paint in like 4 years because I'm so bad at it. Like, I will fuck up anything when it comes to painting. Bondo, it doesn't matter. With that being said, I got a terrible rust spot on the HHR's door. Some Ohio rust and paint bubbling right here, right here. So we're gonna be taking care of all that. We are about to go to the store, pick up some Bondo, some sandpaper, and I'm gonna take care of it because I don't want it to get worse, because if that goes through, it's gonna be a pain later down the road. I'm not a fan of putting mud in cars. I'm a big fan of putting new metal in. It's gonna be looking like fucking more mud than my damn backyard, so All right, we just got done at Walmart. This is everything you will need to do this. By the way, before we get started, shout out to Chris Fix. The guy is a goat. He kind of set me up for this, really. I'm pretty much going to be following his YouTube video. I got my 80 grit, 180, 320, 400, 600, my spot putty, primer, paint, clear. For the wet sand, I got some range of high grit sandpaper. Sanding block from 3M, gold body filler, Bondo, and the Bondo card. Yeah, let's get after it. Pain. Alright everybody, we are making a mess out here, but we got everything sanded down to pretty much the best of our abilities. Basically just bare metal, and I kind of went on the outside of the rust just because I wanted to eliminate all the rust possible. I'm going to give it a little bit more wire brush down here because this is a hard crevice to get in.
That's what she said!
This is the second layer of Bondo. Some of the pitting wasn't covered up, so I had to throw a second layer at it. I'm gonna sand this down with 80 grit and then roll some 160 on it. Hopefully it'll smooth out. I got the spot putty in my other spots. After this, we gotta do the spot putty, and we're gonna throw down some filler primer so it fills the holes even better. Then we're gonna paint. We've got the spot putty on the Bondo. I'm gonna hit it with a 320 grit, I think what it is. It's gonna be not fun, dude. It is not fun. Hope you guys are enjoying watching me suffer. Red Bull, please sponsor me. Please, I energized by you. Yo, what's up guys? I got everything taped off and laid the first layer of primer. So it's looking pretty good. This is a self-filling primer. As you can tell, it's a little discolored right here, so I'm gonna just try to even that out with a couple more layers, and then definitely add the red afterwards. All right, moment of truth. We got our color match. I'm scared this is gonna look like shit, but yeah, let's get her done. Yeah. All right, light coats.
light coats. All right. Oh fuck. Hey, honestly though, it might come out alright. Oh, I'll play some money. This is gonna look like shit. As you can tell, we got the paint down and everything is going as planned. We have to add some clear coat. Wow, this already looks tremendously better. So I'm surprised this went as well as it did. I could do a little bit better on the Bondo portion, but overall, probably like an 8 out of 10. Now for the clear coat, I got this soaking in some warm water. It helps with the spray. Basically makes nothing like clog up or anything like that. Just soak it for like 5-10 minutes and keeps your cam warm.
Yo, so I do have to do a wet sand to the car and the clear coat I just put on there, but I'm letting it sit for about a week before I do that. I just want to do that way the paint stays and it's really satin. I hope you guys liked today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow my Instagram. Like I said, if you want to get in that giveaway, just drop a comment on my recent post and I'll see you guys in the next one.